Yo, so here's how to make $5,000 to $10,000 wholesaling houses just like this. And like this. All right, so this is the exact type of house that you're looking for when you wholesaling houses. If you want to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, this is the type of house. They can be, look a little better, but this one right here is definitely one of those. So what you do is you find the owner, all right? And way you find the owner is you can use propstream.com, hit the link in my bio, 7-day free trial, check it out. So from there, you contact the owner. You get their mailing address. You can send them a postcard, you can send them a piece of mail, text message, find them on Facebook, wherever. Get in contact with them, negotiate a price, get it on the agreement, a contract pretty much. And from there, you turn around and you advertise that contract with your profit. Let's just say $10,000. And then you turn around and you bring all those documents to a title company. They close it, you get paid. There you go. That's wholesaling houses in a nutshell. So if you want to learn all the nuts and bolts and all the details about it, make sure you sign up for my free web class. Hit the link in my bio. You can get all the agreements, all the ins and outs, everything that you need to know about wholesaling houses will be talked about on that free web class. See you there.